Okay. Well, it's a hot day. I was not impressed with St. Catherine. The street is still under construction. It is not the St. Catherine's of old. St. Catherine of old. But I have to check in every now and then to see the progress. Just when they finish one section, they dig up some more. It just never ends. This is Wanda's. Or was. This was quite a spot. Yeah. Montreal isn't the Montreal of old. Four Seasons. Not even impressed with that. So, we're gonna get out of here. Get on the bike, hook the GoPro back up, and we're on Maissoneuve. I don't think there's much to see on this street. So you know what? I think that's it. We're going to sign. Unless there's something to see, we're going to sign off. We're going to sign off. We saw a church, went up St. Catherine, went in a little parkette. It's hot. I'm going to bike back to the Plateau. Much more scenic. Maybe do a few groceries, go home, and then go to my new favorite restaurant. Chez, Teta. Lebanese restaurant in Rochelle. Oh, so good. Everybody agrees. Okay, we'll see. Over and out on the 28th of May on Avenue Maissoneuve. That looks like a nice place. Okay, since I'm walking back to the bike, I might as well record on Maissoneuve. As soon as I turn the camera off, something stupid happens and I wish I had it on film. So, Boulevard Maissoneuve. There's a bike path at least. Let's take a look. See something here. Cars. These are big drinking days. It's a patio town. We're shut in. Then we're finally let out. And when we're let out, we like to spend as much time outside as possible. Downtown Street.
I ended up walking 35 minutes.
Yeah, I think I prefer Plateau by land at Old Montreal. Gotta have beverages. Okay. Okay, it is a nice bike path. It's a good bike path.
Il y en a qui prennent des photos, n'importe quoi. J'ai dit que c'était un frame.
Bike path. I'll probably be on that bike path. Or maybe not. Oh. Yeah, walk farther than I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, that'd be McGill that way. Oh, there it is, the ring. The ring. Everybody's favorite thing. Gee, they... I don't know what all that construction was about. They finished, but what'd they do? I guess there's something under there, I don't know. The ring, look at it. Last time, oh, there it is, gone. Okay, really, it's just kind of, and then of course they always have part of the bike path locked off, just to make it interesting, to make you swerve into traffic. Okay, Boulevard. Maissoneuve. Approaching Henri Bourassa. Look at that. Look at that. Downtown. I always like that condo. They have a hard time selling it. Downtown is not that desirable. Okay, I gotta take a drink. All right, we're almost back. Gee, I walked farther than I thought. Maissoneuve, kind of a boring street. But if I turn the camera off, a parade of elephants or something will go by. That's what happens every time I turn this thing off. There's the bay. Went out of business. What are they going to do with it? That's the question. All right, so another question. See if anybody can answer this. How do they convince teenage boys to get perms? Huh? How? All right, let's take a look. Okay. Big mistake. Okay, so I made the mistake. I went into the bay, very sad. I frantically went through the pants and the shirts, see if I could snag a deal. But they're all waist, 46, and leg, 50 or whatever. It's only the freak sizes are left. And a woman's level, they're all hoarding bedding, twin sheets and 400 count blankets or whatever. Very, very sad. It's done. So, big mistake. I knew I shouldn't have done it. I did it. What do I think? I'm going to actually find something? Not a chance. So, we're going to carry on. Almost bought a pair of shorts. Tried them on. But even at 70% off, they're worth like $5. I didn't really like them. I just wanted to buy them so I could say, yeah, I got a deal. Get it. Not happening. So here we are. Maissoneuve parking garage. Honey Rose Hotel. Okay, that's new. Everybody's seeing the walking videos. People are starting to recognize. Not mine. In general. People know what's going on. Okay, we're almost here, back at the bike. Back at the Palais des Arts. Or no, what's it called? Jeez. Well, it is Palais des Arts, but... Oh, Cartier. You ready? The spectacle.
Don't deal with it like that. Don't come at me like that. I respect myself and I do not.
Crazy black chick alert. Okay, well, I'm tired. Not impressed. Downtown Montreal, I don't know. I prefer the other parts.
Notre dernière avait été déplacée, on est plus pressé.
Okay. I don't know what that means. Got a fountain. Time to get out of here. Get back on the old war horse. If it's still there. Hey, is the bike gonna be there? Place is at the quartier spectacle. Is my bike gonna be there? Or am I gonna cry? I see it. Can't believe it. All right. It's good news. Good place to park, I guess. All right, so we did a little tour. I don't know if anybody's going to see any of this. So at least we got to saw the circle of mirrors. Be nice if they took a, kind of Windex or something and cleaned it up or whatever. The bike is here, helmet's here, everything's here. All right, we are back. Over.